Oh my goodness, eBay Claus has struck again. Stick around and see what he brought. Okay, so eBay Claus has struck again. And I'm not sure which of these is which. This is a huge box for what these two items are supposed to be. So let's do that one second. Let's do this one first. That, and we have that. And I have no idea why that's in there. But anyway, so let's take a look. Let's get this one out. Wow, instructions and everything with that one. And this is E1.8 to 35 millimeter optical something stabilization. I can't never remember what the OSS stands for. But it's optical stabilization instead of the camera doing the stabilization. And this says E, and the model is SEL35F18. So 35 millimeter f-stop 1.8. The lens looks very clear there. Doesn't seem to be any issues with it. Clear there. Of course, both lenses, or both sides, need to be cleaned. And then this one, oh, that's kind of cool. It's got the little thing in it, which it doesn't fit that lens. We'll get that off just for now. And this is a FE, which should also stand for full frame. And I believe just the E here stands for a cropped. So I'm thinking this one's a full frame lens, and this one's supposed to be a cropped lens for a APS-C sensor. But when I looked up the model, SEL35F18, it led me to believe that this right here was a full framed lens, which this will probably be the lens this video in this setup right here, because I think the 35 millimeter 1.8 f-stops, because I don't have a lot of really good light here, so I think that will help. This lens will be the best one to be able to catch here, but we'll find out. Be all the experimentation, figuring it all out, kind of cool. This right here is, it doesn't move much, but that's the zoom. This is a zoom lens, and that'll probably be a manual focus. So 28 to 70 millimeters. Again, optical stabilization, f-stop 3.5 to 5.6. So this model is SEL 2870, which I looked this one up and it said that it was a full frame. And so I don't know, this might be a manual zoom, which I don't really care, to be honest with you. And maybe they all are. Maybe I'm just showing my stupidity, but still in all, that's fine. I don't care. I think it's cool. This right here looks, this almost looks like a brand new, or not, it's a perfectly good brand new lens. Doesn't look like it's been used. This one looks like it's been used. This one looks like it hasn't been used, which is fine. They work. I think they're perfectly fine. So this, I think, is the lens that comes on. I think this was a kit lens for the APS-C cameras, maybe, and I don't know which all ones, but like the 6000 Alpha 6000 series, I think may have came with this lens, but I'm not sure. This one I think was the kit lens for the A7, which was also an older camera, but also a full frame. And so that's kind of why I'm thinking this was the kit lens for that one. So, but anyway, it's a big old hole in there, so I think that may be it. All right, so let's look at the other box now. And I'll just take this out. And so this is the box that I'm really excited for. Okay, so, wow, that really looks nice. I mean, it looks almost perfect. Some blemishes. And so, some of you already know what this is. It is a ZV-E10. Fully articulating screen. And close it back up and kind of protect the screen. Awesome. 4K camera. Let's see if anything comes on. Wow. It did come on. Imagine that. So let's do this. Okay, but anyway, let's turn this on. So, oh, you got a zoom control. Okay, so this looks like there is, that's like a digital zoom, I guess, because there's no no actual zoom on this lens. It's a fixed 18. It appears to look pretty good there. So I will have to, I think this is supposed to have a touch screen. Or maybe not. So it appears to be working. So it looks like there may be some, I don't know about scratching, but just some little bit of discoloration there on the screen, which is fine. I don't care. Considering what I got this far, I think it's going to, that's no biggie. As long as everything works good on it and there's no, it's not somehow damaged to where it can't film, because that's the only reason why I wanted to get it. So let me try and put the other lens on and see how that looks. Oh, I think that's backwards. No, that should be right. Yes. Okay, that lens is pretty heavy. Okay, so on this lens, let me zoom it all the way back. So, looks good. This little bit right here that you can see is from the screen, not my hand. So it seems to be tracking. This right here, there seems to be some kind of artifacts over here, which I think is needs to be cleaned. So I'm really super pumped about this at the moment, because I think it's going to be what I expected it to be. See, that's got a microphone port. It's got headphones, HDMI, and USB-C. So here, well, there we go. So you've got power zoom on the lens. It looks like a pretty good picture. So I'm telling you what, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm seriously scared because of what I paid for this. And beyond that, this camera is mint. I mean, I am not going to tell you guys what I paid for this, because you're going to think I stole it. I mean, literally, this is awesome. This is my new best digital device. This is not the camera that's going to sit here at this desk, because at this close range and everything I've got here, it's going to be a much lower end camera that sits here. And then I'll have another camera set up for my other channel, which will be another video coming up. And then this will be like a camera that will go out with me somewhere, outside, outdoors, and whatnot. I could be wrong, but I think that's what this camera is going to be something that I'm going to need. Now, it doesn't have the dedicated record button like a lot of the other the A6000 series has, but it's got a dedicated record button up here, and it doesn't have the thumb wheel to switch between photo, manual, blah 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 blah, and all that. This camera right here, although I think you can still buy them new, this is a super expensive camera, but it's designed to be simple and easy to use for someone to just get on YouTube and make vlog videos and post onto YouTube. You got simple on and off, record, not record. I don't know, but that's a custom button, but I don't know what the pre-configured setting on it is. Of course, you got your zoom in here to take pictures, because it will take pictures, but it is designed for video more than anything else. So I guess this would be a selector button: video, camera, video, and S and Q, which I don't know what that would be. I mean, that's about all I got. I appreciate you guys spending your precious time here with me on this eBay claws video, and I hope to see you again. Thanks, and God bless.